Hey, did you know YouTube videos are not the best way to learn piano? Yes, there are many piano lesson videos on YouTube, and although you can certainly learn from these thousands of videos, it's simply just not the best or most efficient way to learn piano. And I'm going to give you 3 important reasons why. These 3 reasons will change the way you think about learning piano. Hi, I'm Peter Hostage, and I've been teaching piano to adults for well over 30 years, and have helped countless beginners like you experience the enjoyment that comes from making music. So what is the best way to learn piano? Well, the best way is to follow a well-defined and clear path that starts with basic and easy skills that anyone can learn and builds upon those skills with each successive lesson in a methodical manner. By following this path, you can grow from a beginner to an accomplished musician with the skills and knowledge needed to be able to play any of your favorite pieces of music. In other words, the best way to learn is to follow step-by-step instructions that are easy to understand. I bet you've already felt that confusion and frustration that comes from jumping around from video to video. And yes, some of the video lessons are fun, but others make you feel like you're just wasting your time. You need to follow a structured path that is proven and works. And I'm going to show you a way to learn piano that is fun and will bring great results when you follow the path. Plus, you'll be making the best use of your piano practice time without confusion or frustration. So what are those 3 important reasons that I mentioned? Well, the first one is that you need to learn to read music. Yes, I know there are videos that will introduce you to note reading, but this is where following a step-by-step path is especially critical. For instance, if you were to jump into the deep end of note reading, you will really feel that frustration and confusion, and maybe feel like you're drowning because it's just too difficult to learn. You might want to quit and watch those videos that show you where to place your hands to play one particular song at a time. That's giving you the fish, not teaching you how to fish. Or you might ask, why do I need to learn to read music? Well, there are literally millions of pages of music waiting for you, anything you want. And when you can read music, it's all available to you. It is a universal language, and when you methodically learn the mechanics of note reading in a step-by-step manner, it will make perfect sense to you and become easier with each and every day of practice. Secondly, with learning to read music, you can more easily learn about music theory. Now, you don't need to know music theory to enjoy playing piano, but knowing why you're doing what you are doing helps you to make sense more quickly of the music that you are playing, and therefore learn faster. Music theory is the nuts and bolts of music and helps you to quickly see the simplicity in the pieces that you are playing. So the more you know, the faster you can learn more. And thirdly, along with learning note reading and music theory in a step-by-step manner, you need to learn to play with good finger technique. Some video instructors will tell you that it just isn't all that important. But if you were to continue to play without good technical skills, soon you will experience how poor technique gets in your way and slows down your progress. Unlearning bad technique is much harder than learning good technique right from the beginning. Understanding finger placement speeds up your learning process. And so I've developed a course for the adult beginner pianist that is the well-defined and clear path that you can easily follow from beginner to advanced level that will teach you note reading, music theory, and good finger technique. So even if you know nothing about music, you can easily learn to play piano by following my step-by-step instructions. Piano lessons easy as 1, 2, 3. My Piano Guide lessons will take you on a path that was easy to follow and fun to learn. Piano Guide Lessons is a pathway that lets you learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. These lessons are an online course that is an extension of my books, the Piano Guidebook series, and include 119 lessons that take you from absolute beginner to an advanced level by using video, audio, and text. Videos so you can watch me slowly play each lesson for you, right hand, then left hand, then hands together. You'll be looking right over my shoulders. MP3 audio files so you can listen to the etudes, exercises, and musical pieces at the regular tempo. And most importantly, text, so you can print out a PDF of the lesson material and conveniently keep it on your piano or keyboard so you won't have to turn on your computer or other electronic device just to practice piano. Piano Guide Lessons doesn't have those flashy lighted keys or other high-tech gadgetry. It's based on written text and follows an established and proven way of learning music that has been employed for hundreds of years by millions of people, but updated here for the internet age. What Piano Guide Lessons does have is lots of music in many genres. You get classical, jazz, rock, folk, blues, Latin, and more. There are 123 complete songs and compositions and 213 etudes and exercises, including exercises for chords and scales. In these 119 lessons, you'll find 243 MP3 audio files of all the musical examples and 267 downloadable pages from the Piano Guidebook series, including everything in the Piano Guidebook series. And that is all available to you as a full member of Piano Guide Lessons. But you don't have to join as a full member to see if Piano Guide Lessons are right for you. Today, I'm inviting you to take Piano Guide's Piano 101 7-Day Challenge. Piano 101 is a 7-lesson introductory course that will quickly get you started on the basics of note reading, music theory, and good finger technique. In the 7-Day Challenge, you will learn the notes on the piano keyboard, the musical alphabet, the time signature, whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and rests, and how to count them, finger numbers and positions, the musical staff, the C major scale, chords and their inversions, the primary chords, and more. Plus, you'll play some easy songs. And you'll learn all of that in just 7 days. But you can take longer if you need to. And you get all of that for just $7. Not only that, if you decide to continue with Piano Guide Lessons as a full member, there is a very generous discount waiting for you because you took the 7-Day Challenge. So click the link and get started with Piano Guide's Piano 101 7-Day Challenge right now. Yes, start playing piano right now.